So this is the Z30 and the upcoming spotlight laser combination from DJI. One of the things I wanted to check on is the ability of the spotlight to see into shadowed areas. So right now we're on a side of the tower. There is a street light probably about 100 to 150 feet behind it. So you see we are getting some illumination, but still we can't see anything. And what if there was maybe a person down in this corner or something of that effect? So let's see what happens if we turn on the spotlight, and now we even see a tire. So that tire, we can zoom in there. That tire could have been a person, it could have been just about anything. We could zoom in there and see little tiny details even with this spotlight on there. Let's zoom out a little bit, and then let's kind of go up the floors a little bit. Let's see what we can do here. So we can go up all of these floors and zoom in. Let's go in this corner. I see something sitting in the corner over there. So I can see there's a electrical outlet. I can see that there's a water connection. I can see that X on the floor. I can see just about everything that I need to see by illuminating. I can see up and down the stairs. See into this next top floor. So that's definitely a very usable configuration there for both doing out in the wildlands, in the woods, search and rescue type of stuff, but also looking at buildings and everything else to look into places that you otherwise might not be able to see. Alright, and there's without, and there's with. I think that's probably my favorite one, where you see the tire now, and without it you don't. Alright, we'll talk to y'all later.